90% of traders lose money. That's not a myth. It's reality. But why do so many people fail? And more importantly, how can you avoid becoming one of them? Why most traders fail and how to avoid it. Reason number 1. No risk management. Most traders risk too much on a single trade, and just one bad call can wipe out weeks of gains, or their entire account. Reason number 2. Chasing the market emotionally. They jump in out of fear of missing out, take revenge trades after a loss, or panic sell at the worst moments. Reason number 3. No real trading plan. They enter trades based on gut feelings or random signals, not on tested strategies with clear rules. Want to avoid these mistakes? Here's how. Step 1. Always manage your risk. Never risk more than 1 to 2% of your capital per trade. Your first goal is survival, not profit. Step 2. Trade with logic, not emotion. Use a journal to track your decisions and stick to your rules no matter what the market does. Step 3. Backtest your strategy. Before going live, test your system on historical data. If it doesn't work in the past, it won't work in the future. Step 4. Focus on long-term consistency. Forget about quick riches. Think in months and years, not minutes. Most traders fail because they treat trading like gambling. If you treat it like a business, with rules, discipline, and patience, you'll already be ahead of 90% of them. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more videos.